Now, let's create a Bootstrap carousel on the front page. First of all, we will create a slideshow content type, especially for this front page carousel. Let's go to the structure, content types, add content type. Give it a name called slideshow. Scroll down, go to publishing options, and check the promoted to front page. Since we are going to display all the slides regardless of whether it is promoted to front page or not. Display settings. Let's uncheck this. Comment settings. We will disable the comment module after this. We don't need for this project, so we will leave it alone first. Menu settings. There's no menu link we need to create for the slideshow, so we can disable it. Let's save the content type. Now, let's create some new views for slideshow. Under slideshow, let's go to manage views. Let's create an image view. We will use an existing image view. Select an existing view, image, click save. Let's make this view as required view. Scroll down. For file directory, it's always good to save it into folder for better file management. Let's type slideshow. Scroll down. For maximum image resolution, let's set to 900 wide and 900 for the height. Our slide will be showing on the front page is around 850 pixels. We will apply image style later to scale and crop the exact size so that we can keep each image with the same height and width. It's always a good practice to limit the maximum image resolution. This will prevent especially the client to upload image that is too big. There's no point of uploading an image of 4000 pixels while you know well you only need to display a 900 pixel slide. It's just a waste of space, right? We'll skip the minimum image resolution. You can set it according to your preference if you want to. Scroll down. Number of value is 1, correct? Scroll down. Let's save it. Let's rearrange the view. And save. Let's disable the comment module as we mentioned earlier. Go to modules. Search for comment and turn it off. Save the configuration. Now let's create some slides for the slideshow. Go to content, add content, slideshow. Fill the title. Let's upload an image. Click upload. The image size has been resized according to our dimension set earlier. Now, for you to find an image, you can simply go to Google. Just type any image you like, for example, car. Click on images. Search tools, more tools, show size. You can go to size and select large. Now, since our slideshow is about 850 wide, you can download any image bigger than this size to upload to your website. If you don't like car, guess you may be attracted to food. Oh, that's great. That's made me hungry. Anyway, you know what you like. Okay now, besides Google, you can also go to pexels.com for some free images to be used even for your live site. You can read the license here. You can search the photos. There are a few download sizes you can choose. Now we use images here throughout our project. You can do so if you want to. So let's back to our Drupal site. Scroll down. fill a description. Let's scroll down and save the slideshow. The image is big, but we can adjust the display size here. Let's go to Structure, Content Types, Slideshow, Manage Displays. Click on the gear here. We can choose Large. Update. Rearrange a bit and save. Let's go and check out Content, Slideshow. Now I'll pause the video here and create another 2 slides without wasting time, alright? So please do the same. So I've just created another 2 slideshow content. We have 3 slides altogether. Now we can start a carousel with views. Before doing so, we need to install the Views and Views Bootstrap modules. Let's go to Views module page. You need to install this module in order to create the views. And Views module requires C-Tools module. So you need to install C-Tools module as well. There's one more module you need to install that's called Views Bootstrap module. Now this is the key module we are using to create some Bootstrap components like carousel, tabs, accordion, so on and so forth. It says it requires Views module, which we are going to install, Twitter Bootstrap theme, and jQuery update module, which we already installed and used. Now I have already installed these 3 modules. So you can pause the video here and install them. We'll enable the modules together after this, alright? So let's enable the modules. Go to Modules. Let's search for Views. Turn on Views, Views Bootstrap, and Views UI. Search for C-Tools. Turn on Chaos C-Tools and save the configuration. Now let's create an image type for slideshow before we create the views. Let's copy, press Alt-D on your keyboard, type in image, and press enter. Add style. Give it a name called slideshow. Create new style. Let's select scale and crop. Add. Let's set this to 850. Height to 500. Add. Great. Now we have created the image type for the slideshow. Let's go to add a new view. Go to Structure, Views, Add New View. Give it a name called Slideshow. Show content correct. Type. Select Slideshow. Uncheck this. We just need to create a block. For display format, so once you have installed the Views Bootstrap module, there are a few more formats provided here. Accordion, carousel, grid, so on and so forth. So we select Bootstrap Carousel. Select Fields. Empty this for unlimited items. Scroll down. Continue and edit. Let's scroll down. Let's add an image. Body. For our description. Apply all displays. For body, we don't need a label, so let's uncheck it. Apply. Image. For style, we choose slideshow we created just now. And apply. So now we have 3 fields. Let's click on Fields here. Check Bootstrap Carousel. Apply. Now for image, we'll use image. title for title, description for body. Apply. Scroll down. Now you can see the slides. I think we don't need the title to be linked to the node page, so I scroll up, click on title, uncheck link this view, and save. Let's save the views. That's great. Now there are a few more settings you can do here. Under Format, Bootstrap Carousel, Settings. You can set the interval here, show the navigation, indicators, and pause on hover. Let's check this, pause on hover, and apply. Now click Save. Now let's go to the block and assign to region. Structure, Blocks. Scroll down. Look for View, Slideshow, and Configure. So we assign it to Content. Scroll down. For the block visibility, we will only show on the front page. And save block. Let's go to the front page and check it out. Great, it works. So we have image here, we have title and description. Now let's hide this block title here. Go to configure block, fill in a none tag, scroll down and save block. Great, it's gone. Now let's try the responsive. Let's resize the browser and see. Great, good. Yeah, it works well. Let's move on to the next.